Don't throw away old CDs. Boil them first, and you might be surprised by the result. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Maker Mike channel. This pile of discs may look useless at first, but take a closer look. The plastic is still in good condition and can be reused. Today, I will show you a simple way to recycle them into something practical for everyday tasks. Watch this video to the end and see how useful they can become. Start by preparing a basic setup. Place a pan on a gas stove and pour water inside. Turn on the heat and wait until the water begins to warm. Then place the CD into the pan. As the temperature rises, the plastic begins to soften. The reflective layer on the surface starts to loosen. This step is important. The outer coating must be removed to access the clear plastic underneath. After a short time, remove the disc and let it cool down completely. Once the disc cools, wipe it dry with a cloth. The surface now feels softer and easier to work with. Hold the disc firmly and use a utility knife to separate the layers. Slide the blade slowly along the edge. Begin peeling the disc apart. One side contains a thin reflective layer and printed material. Remove that section and keep only the clear plastic. This clean plastic will be used for the next stage. I know many of you have great ideas and smart tricks, so drop them in the comments so everyone can learn from you. Take a pair of scissors and cut the plastic into small pieces. Smaller pieces dissolve faster and create a smoother mixture. Place all the pieces into a glass container. Make sure the container is clean and dry. Now pour acetone into the container until the plastic is fully covered. The reaction starts slowly. Leave the container undisturbed. Over time, the plastic begins to break down and dissolve into the liquid. This step requires patience. Leave it for about 24 hours. During this time, the rigid plastic transforms into a thick, sticky solution. After waiting, return and check the container. The solid pieces have disappeared. The liquid has turned into a dense plastic compound. Stir it gently with a wooden stick. The mixture should feel smooth and slightly heavy. At this moment, a discarded CD has become a usable material. Add a small amount of red paint into the mixture. This helps make the coating visible during application. Stir slowly until the color becomes even. The result is a thick, colored compound that spreads easily and bonds well to surfaces. Prepare 2 test materials. Take a wooden board and a piece of cardboard. Use a marker to divide each surface into 2 equal sections. This allows a clear comparison between treated and untreated areas. Dip a brush into the mixture and apply it to 1/2 of the wooden board. Spread it evenly. When melted plastic is combined with water-based paint and applied to wood, it forms a sealed protective layer. This coating blocks moisture, improves surface durability, and helps the wood resist water absorption over time. Then apply the same mixture to 1/2 of the cardboard. Leave the other halves untouched. Cardboard absorbs water very easily because it is made from compressed paper fibers. These fibers form a porous structure with many tiny gaps, allowing moisture to soak in quickly and weaken the material over time. Wait a few minutes for the mixture to dry completely. Now it's time to test the results and see how well the surface resists water. Place both test pieces into a tray. Use a spray bottle to apply water. Spray evenly across the wooden board. The untreated side quickly absorbs water and darkens. The coated side repels water. The droplets stay on the surface without soaking in. The difference is clear. Repeat the same test with the cardboard. The untreated side becomes soft and weak. The coated side remains firm and dry. The plastic compound seals the surface and blocks moisture completely. The mixture works even on weak materials like cardboard, which shows how strong and effective it really is in sealing and protecting the surface. Now move to a more challenging surface. Take a piece of cement board. This material is rough and porous. It usually absorbs water easily. Apply the coating to part of the surface. Use a brush and work the mixture into the pores. Fiber cement roofing has natural weak points when exposed to water and sunlight. Its porous structure allows moisture to seep in over time, while constant UV exposure gradually breaks down the surface, leading to cracks, fading, and reduced durability. Let it dry completely. After drying, spray water onto the cement board. The untreated area absorbs moisture quickly. The coated section repels water. The liquid stays on the surface and does not penetrate. This shows how effective the coating is on construction materials. The repair holds firmly. The surface resists water and keeps its structure. This process shows how simple materials can become powerful solutions. Now move to a real repair situation. A metal roof panel shows rust and small holes. These openings allow water to leak through. Start by cleaning the surface with a wire brush. Remove loose rust and dirt. A clean surface helps the coating bond properly. Apply the plastic compound over the damaged area. Spread it evenly and press it into every gap. A discarded CD can turn into a waterproof coating. It can be used on wood, cardboard, concrete, and metal. Work slowly and carefully through each step. Preparation is important. Clean surfaces and proper drying time make a big difference in the final result. For larger holes, place a thin piece of fabric over the opening. Then apply another layer of the mixture on top. The fabric acts as reinforcement. The compound seals and strengthens the repair. Allow the coating to dry completely. After drying, test the repair. Pour water directly onto the patched area. Watch closely. The water flows across the surface without leaking through. The holes are sealed. If this idea helps you, try it in your own workshop. Test it on different materials and see how it performs. Share your results in the comments so others can learn from your experience. Simple ideas like this can turn everyday waste into useful tools.